Greetings, this is Zane of Technopoly. Welcome to our new MyWorld system. For our first presentation, we will try to give you a basic overview of our new support site. As you can see, the layout has substantially changed from the previous version on the old AppSoft site. The new version link can be found on our new site, technopoly.uk. Each user will be given a password that corresponds with their registered email address. For the purpose of this presentation, I've set up a test email login and password. Once the details have been logged in, click the login button to enter the site. If you wish to stay logged in, click the Keep Me Logged In tab. The first thing that you will notice is the landing page or dashboard. The navigation tabs are located at the top of the screen. We will work through these during the course of these presentations. On the left-hand side, you can see the sidebar. Each sidebar presents different options relative to that tab. On the landing page, the sidebar will reflect your MyWorld navigation options. We will cover all of these in the following presentations. On the landing page, you will notice various sliders. These may change from time to time depending on what new topics are relevant. Underneath the sliders, you will see the What's New section. These will update accordingly with the latest Technopoly news. In the top left-hand corner, you will see a power button. Click this power button to log off MyWorld. Thank you for watching,